Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to use motion tracking in CapCut. So basically here, you just need to open your CapCut app and we have here a video sample. So we're gonna add this one. So we're gonna drag and drop right here. Now, all you need to do right here, for example, if you play this video, and you want to use a motion tracking, you can actually use an object or a text. So basically here, you just need to add the text and make it longer. And here, as you can see, so we can edit the text right here. For example, we're gonna type right here running, and then you can adjust the size right here, and you can actually adjust the size and the style of this text. So for example, we're just click on that text and we're looking at the fonts like right here, the font style. So for example, I want to use this one. And then if you want to use a motion tracking, just need to click on that text and a tracking option right there. So click on that and click on motion tracking. So from here, you can actually customize the size of the tracking objects. So actually you can track objects or person, anything that you want to track on the video. And you can also adjust the size if you want a circle. So just like that. And you can actually change the settings right here. The scale, you can enable this or disable, and the distance. So for me, I just want to turn this off. And once you've done, just need to click on the start button right here at the bottom right. And it will start tracking this video right here. So we're gonna wait for a few seconds until it track the motion or the object. So from here, as you can see, let's see the result. So let's play this video. So there you go. So that's how you basically use this motion tracking in CapCut. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.